Hi, welcome again to my channel with me, Stephanus Goana. Now in this opportunity, I would like to give you my personal opinion about this bad grinder DF64. And in a bit, I will explain to you why I consider it as bad. You want to know more? Well, I hope for your support. Click that like buttons and subscribe if you haven't so. Thank you so much. Now, why I call it so bad? Because this grinder really making the other grinder looks actually bad. He's so bad, he put the others grinders into a shame, I would say. Not only about the quality and the build, but especially the price. You see, this grinder worth $500 in Singapore, and that's inclusive of GST, import tax, VAT, whatever in your country is. Transportation from China, I don't know, $10, $20 per piece. By air, by sea freight, maybe. And then there will be distributor. Now there is a reseller. That means you have a local contact. That means you have a local support. And they have to share profit as well. How much are they making? $50, $100. That leaves us about $350 of the manufacturer price from China. Now $350, obviously the manufacturer needs to make some profit. How much are they making? 100, 200s? We talk about maybe they make $150 per grinder. That left with $200 cost of the manufacturing. Now, this really waking up the whole industry, I would say. It's a wake-up call to everybody who are designing and building grinders. This is, I mean, actually the cost is probably very, very low. Not to mention this grinder, as Kyle explained in his video, you have the chance to change with an SSP burr. Now let's compare it to other similar single dosing grinder like niche. No, trust me, I don't mean to put them down, but what I mean is niche is trying to sell directly to you. The price is more than double of this price. And actually in Singapore, it goes up to about $1,200. This is $500, so, you know, and that is inclusive of tax, import permit, shippings, the cost of the grinder. And not to mention niche directly selling from UK. That means you do not have any local contacts. You do not have any local support. There's no middleman, there's no reseller, there's no distributor. That means no support. Now, comparing to grinder like Eureka, they do have reseller, they have distributor. Their price is higher. Oro single dosing grinder, it's higher, almost, I mean, it's double the price of this. But there's a distributorship there. You have a local contact, you have a local support. And I can't say much about that. I mean, I'm a reseller, so you gotta split the profit. Okay, to be honest, I'm speechless now. I don't know what else to say about this grinder besides it's just awesome. And it's just so bad that it's like, you know, spanking all the other grinders, saying that you all are too expensive. And this, because this grinder really works, it does the job. Now let's just go straight into how I make coffee with this grinder. Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to my friend who sent me this happiness. It's from Zeus Roastery, cognac infused. So they put cognac together in an enclosed room, and they never touch the green bean, they said. And then they left it for about 3 days, and cognac goes into the green bean and then they roast it. So do check in the description below on how to purchase this. Let me just, if you are in Singapore, of course. Now I'm going to roast, I'm going to grind 18 grams coffee. Oh man, the smell is crazy. Sorry, put too much. Okay, that's about it. 18.3 and 4. Now this adjustment, I really like it. Now I'll explain to you why you want a big adjustment, because 2 is like 2 millimeters here apart from each setting is actually huge. It's actually very small details in a grinder like Eureka Mignon. Okay, I'm gonna grind it. Okay, about the button. I know a lot of people saying the button down here is at the wrong place. First of all, I want to highlight to you that it's great for me. At night, it gives another ambient light. It looks awesome. The pump is awesome. Everything comes out. And you know what? The grinder is going to stop on its own if you do not turn it off. See, it's off. Stopped. Now this, I know a lot of people say this is plastic. I wish they could make from glass, but it's going to break anytime. But plastic is that you can see through. So you know whether all your coffee's powder has already landed in there nicely. If you ever have a niche, when you open it and then suddenly all the coffee grounds messing around, that's what happened because you're unable to see. But with this, you know everything is down there. It's safe to open. All right? I'm gonna use. Now, as you can hear the sound, that wasn't loud at all. That wasn't loud at all. This, to be honest with you, I haven't dialed in. Let's go. I use a 3 seconds pre-infusion. All right. Gonna stop it right there. Oops, we're running out of water. Allow me. Just a bit information that this machine will stop for safety reason when there's no water inside. I'm going to press it to steam mode while I'm going to get my milk. Back. By the way, this is Grace. Oh, okay, it's ready. How long it takes? Is that even 1 minute? Maybe 2 minutes? It was really fast, right? So this machine when frothing is actually getting stronger and stronger. I don't know why. In most machines we kind of like losing pressure, losing steam power, but this machine is a bit strange. Power is building up, stronger and stronger. I had enough herring. Getting hot, it's hot, it's hot. Right, I think that's about it. Okay, this part is a bit, this is probably one of the weaknesses of this machine. It's a bit difficult to clean up the milk left over, but with hot water, with hot towels, it will do. Now the result is amazing. Milk silky. Let me just move that a bit. How is that? It's practicing, okay? It's full already. Okay, so what I can say is that it works. I don't experience a lot of channeling during my extraction. As you can see, my espresso, it works well. And I believe that a lot of channeling happening lately, especially an entry machines. You don't realize that actually it's your grinder. Nothing wrong with your coffee, nothing wrong with your machines. Sometimes it's your grinder unable to grind properly. And with DF64, I find it amazingly good, seriously. So, I can certainly taste the cognac aroma. It's happening here, even with milk. Happiness by Zeus Roastery. It's their special Chinese New Year coffee beans. And yeah, by the way, Happy Chinese New Year to all my Chinese friends, or hybrid Chinese like me. I'm not pure Chinese, I'm mix of Indonesian. I'm Indonesian Chinese. But I really want to say thank you to all my friends in China who made such a great grinder with such affordable price. I mean, I'm truly from the bottom of my heart, and thank you so much. Thank you for DF64. Thank you for the manufacturer, whoever. If you know them, please forward this video. Convey my gratitude, my deepest appreciation, I would say, for giving us home barista such a great grinder with such affordable price for us to enjoy our coffee every day, especially in this Chinese New Year. I wish you guys have a prosperous and wonderful New Year. Enjoy with your families and friends, and I see you guys again in my next video. All right, ciao. I'm done.